Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So guys, today we are going to discuss topic about articles. So what is article and how we know about and how we can use article and a specific word and how and where we can use article. So let's begin. Articles are used before a noun to specify or generalize the noun. We can use article before a noun that specify or generalize the noun. It means that we can use articles to specify or generalize the noun. For example, I need a book which is on the table. I need a book. Is article, book is what? Book is a noun. We can use before a noun, mean that to specify a noun is called what? It's called article. I need a book which is on the table. Mean that article specify the noun. Article specify what? Article specify noun, book. So we have two types of article. We have two types of articles: definite article and definite article. So what is definite article? D is definite article which is used to specify the noun. D is definite article which is used to specify the noun. D is a definite article which used to specify the noun. D is a definite article to specify what? To specify noun. It is called what? It is called definite article. And definite article. A and N are indefinite article which is used to generalize the noun. A and N are indefinite article which is used to generalize the noun. Means that when we use A and N to generalize the noun. Okay, for example, I bought a book. I bought a book. I broke an umbrella. It's what is generalized. It means that it is a specific thing we can use for them. For example, I bought a book. I broke an umbrella. So these are indefinite article. So another one is A. How we can know about A and where we can use A. So let's begin. A is used before singular countable noun which starts from consonant sound. Once again, A is used before singular countable noun which starts from consonant sound. For example, a book, a pen. A used what? Before singular countable noun. Before singular countable noun, we can use what? We can use a. American say that a and British say that a. Another one is n. Where we can use n? How we can know about n? So let's begin. N is used before singular countable noun which starts from vowel sound. Once again is used. N is used before singular countable noun which start from vowel sound. For example, an apple, an umbrella, an MPA. N is used before vowel sound, means that it's singular countable noun, not plural. Singular but before vowel sound. It's means that apple. A start from what? Apple start from A. A is what? A is vowel. So N is also used with a sound that began from silent letter H. N is also used with a sound that began from silent letter H. For example, an hour, an honest, and is also used from before silent letter H. Note that we can use article before singular countable noun, not plural. When we mean that we cannot use after plural or before plural countable noun, we can use singular countable noun. So this is our today lesson. If you any type of question, you can write in a comment. So also like my channel and press the bell icon.